Job of the day. I did bearings and brakes on this trailer a little while ago. When I came out here, he said if I could fix up the mounting or the secure brackets for the tilt itself. These brackets are all hollowed out. I don't know why they did it this way, but I'm gonna beef them up. Got a little design in mind. Yeah, beef it up and then re-weld it. That's my rough game plan. I got some C-channel, 1-inch C-channel, and I got some 1/4-inch plate. So I'm gonna use the plate as a spacer, and then I'm also going to cut and 45 and then weld that. So it's super strong on the bottom piece. It's not gonna blow out on them. I'm just gonna cut it all down. I gotta measure the latch itself, see how wide I can go. I'll go as wide as I can, and then round all the edges so nothing's sharp. New hooks or new hook brackets are made. With a 1/4-inch on the bottom. It's not going to bend on them whatsoever. I'll weld this on to the frame. Plates are all welded on both sides. I'm going to paint it black so it doesn't rust. And paint it. And go to the other side and paint it. I'll make sure these are secured down. Make sure they lock in place. I'm going to bring it down and then adjust his locking arms to make sure they lock in place. Trailer's down. I left my wrench. Got my wrench. Goes up. Locks in. Okay, that one's good. Does not need to be adjusted. It's all tight. Tight. Good. Let's go to the other side. Locked in. Easy to get off. Easy to lock in. Perfect. That's on there. This job is done. I replaced the latch holders. Everything's nice and solid and welded and painted. This one's done. I'm on the next.